Yeah, hi guys. Today I have to speak on some relevant topic which is related to our speaking also. That how to speak English like a regional language. So it's the question for this video today, and we have to speak on this and we have to understand that is it the right method? Whatever I am going to tell you at till the end of this video. So just keep on watching this video, and it's really a very good method, and if you apply it then definitely you will get a huge result. But as I always keep saying the same thing, that you will have to consistent. Whatever the method I suggest you, it's my personal method, and you will have to consistent with this thing. So in this method I have to say that suppose your regional language as mine is Hindi language, and whatever it might be, no matter how to learn that particular language, it's my particular question for you. And just think for a while, stop the video and think for a while about it and answer the question of this particular question, that how you learn your regional language. So your answer will be different kind of answer, and for some time you will be confused that what we used in our regional language, what we used that particular kind of method by which we have learned our regional language. Your answer will be that not any kind of trainer, not any kind of coaching institute, not any kind of method we use in to learn our particular regional language. Then if we use the same method in learning any other language, especially for English language, then obviously we will be able to learn like a regional language. For example, from Hindi to English, like we have been speaking Hindi since our childhood without any trainer, without any teacher, without any method. Why? You know, the answer of this question is this: because we have been surrounded since our childhood by all kinds of Hindi material, like speaker in our home, from our mother to our friends to our society to our teacher. Wherever we go, we just listen only one language, that is Hindi, or that is our regional language. It might be any other language. So that's the reason that we learned that particular language. If we follow those rules in this language, whatever we are trying to learn, like English, then definitely we will be able to learn English properly and like a Hindi, like a regional language. Now we have to talk on those particular method. Suppose you are talking to someone at your home, just try to speak in your English language. Don't think that whatever you are saying, no matter other one is trying to understand you, or what others thinking about you, what others saying at you, no matter, just you have to speak. Keep on speaking, and you have to count yourself that how much you speak. That's the first thing. Change your all environment, change your all surroundings, your friends, your study material, your table must be filled with English materials. It might be any Hindi book, just changed it, replace it by English language. And if you are just purchasing something in market, from markets, that also must be in English. If you are asking something, just ask in English. If you are talking to your friends, just speak in English. Now the question is in your mind, that if the other person doesn't know English, then how we will be able to interact with him or her? Obviously it's a question. But for some time, if someone is someone know English very well, then you can try to put your question in front of him or her. But if someone doesn't know, then you can speak for a while. Whatever words you learn in your whole day, just try to use them. It means that you are not trying to make him or her understand. You are trying to use your particular words, whatever you have learned from the morning till the evening. That's my point of view, to keep speaking. So this is the way. And the second method is just whatever you are watching on YouTube or any TV show, or any news, just changed all things in English. Guys, it's a very authentic method, and you will be able to learn very proper English, very fluent English in a very short time of period. The way I am telling you, I have used and I am using right now also. I have changed each and everything. Even I am from Hindi medium, but I have just completely changed myself towards English. I am preparing right now, and I am just going through all English books. Initially, you won't be able to understand each and every words of the English, but try to learn, try to read the books, try to once, twice, thrice, and at last, final, the day will come in your life that you will be able to understand that particular English books one day. So apply these methods and you will get a huge result. And the third one you can say that you know is, along with the speaking, you have to just do some group discussion also. Now, where we have to do group discussion, it is also the question. So I think if you are talking to someone, just make a group and just try to put a question on that particular group. Obviously, if you are trying to learn English, then your friend circle must be those that kind of mentality, like they are also trying to learn something. Just you know make them also that please try to learn this language, it is going to be very helpful. So these are some tricks and tips for today's videos, and I think these tips are going to be very helpful. So definitely try to use these tricks in your daily routine for learning English, and definitely you will get a huge result after using this. Just change each and everything, whatever in your table, on your table, in your room, or even your friends, changed everything in English. That's all for today video, and thanks. Bye bye.